ChatGPT recently launched dedicated application for macOS. Till date, we were only using ChatGPT from our web browsers. But now there is one dedicated application available to use it from macOS. While there is no news of any Windows application yet, in this video, let me show you how can you install ChatGPT macOS application and how can you use it. Now, currently I'm in ChatGPT console. There, we don't see any option to download the application. But if you go to your profile picture, then you will be able to see one option, download macOS app. If you click on that, it will show you one warning that this particular application is available from Mac OS 14 plus. Also, it will only work with Apple Silicon. So if you have any of the Mac system which have Apple processor, that is M1 and above, then it will work. So let me click on download and it will download that particular software. You can see it's currently being downloaded. And once that is done, you can see this is ready. Now, if I double click on it, it will invoke the installer. I just need to drag this icon here in this application and it will start installing. I already have this application installed. That's why it's giving me this particular prompt. If I want to keep it or I want to stop, what I'll do, I'll click on replace. You may not get this particular prompt if you are installing for the first time. Now, this has been installed. And if I go to my launchpad, I'll be able to see my application is here. That is ChatGPT. Let me click on it. And then this particular application will open. Okay, first of all, it's giving one warning, that is this application you have downloaded from the internet, if you want to use it or not. Let me click on open and then this application will initialize. Whatever we normally see in our web browser, the same interface, all the chat histories are there in the left pane. And if you click on this particular icon, it will hide and you can unhide. And the same way, you will be able to select that which LLM model you want to use. I'm using a paid plan, that's why it's showing all three options, 404 and 3.5. If you are using any paid plan, you may see some of the limited options there. Now, on top of that, whatever the recent custom GPTs I use, those are also listed here. And if you click on Explore GPTs, it will open the GPT Store. From there, you will be able to find different other custom GPTs. Now, let me show you two major features that why should you use this particular application instead of the web browser. If I come back here and click on this particular icon to bring back that left pane and then click on my picture and there I click on settings, then this particular new screen will come. Here is the main thing, desktop launcher, and you can see that options plus space is the launcher. So, which means if I am using any other application, maybe I'm using my web browser and there if I just hit on option and space, then my ChatGPT prompt window will come and I'll be able to execute my prompts here directly. So this is reducing the friction. You don't need to open your web browser, then log in into ChatGPT and then start using it. Whenever you are working using your macOS, instantly you will be able to invoke ChatGPT and from there you will be able to start giving the prompt. Let me show you one use case here. If you click on this paperclip icon and there you click on take screenshot, it will show you what are the other applications are currently open. If I click on this particular option, Google Chrome, you can see there's a IMDb top 100 chart is open here. It took the screenshot of the images, whatever it can see. And if I now ask, please list down all movie names you see. And if I hit enter, then it will come back to the ChatGPT application and it is uploading that image and now it is giving you these 4 names. It can see these particular 4 movie names there. If I come back to Chrome, you can see it's only able to see from number 2 to 5 because number 1 was not visible in the screenshot. So this is the way you will be able to utilize ChatGPT macOS application with some additional benefits. So first one is that launcher. You need to just use option plus space so that you can launch it any point of time whenever you are using your Mac system. And second is you will be able to take screenshot from anywhere, all open application, entire screen, everything there. And similarly, you will be also able to access your photo library directly from this particular application. If you have any of the images saved in your Apple photo library, then you will be also able to utilize this particular option to analyze those photos. So these are the 2-3 main benefits why you should be using macOS application of ChatGPT. Otherwise, it's all same. It's another wrapper on top of their web application and all other features and functionalities are same. Hope you enjoyed this video and you will be able to utilize all features available with macOS ChatGPT application and it will improve your experience. If you want to know more about how can you analyze data using ChatGPT, then check out this video.